Hi, third graders. It's Mrs. McKenna, and I am here to go over some multiplication with you today. Now, I know on Monday, Mr. Roy Kraft taught you all or retaught you all the game loops and groups, and we're going to look at that as a sort of strategy you can use when you go to solve multiplication problems. We're also going to look at repeated addition. So for example, when I'm looking at this first example here, one skateboard has four wheels, right? We know there's only one set of four here. So we really can't add four to anything. Four is all on its own. So the answer for this problem would be four. But if you were going to go ahead and draw a loop, you would just draw your loop and your groups, okay? Now, when we move down to this problem, we have two skateboards. Each skateboard has four wheels, okay? So a strategy you could use here would be to write your fours underneath the skateboards to show that you know that each skateboard has four wheels, and you can add the two numbers together and you would get 8. But there's one thing I want you to notice here, and that's the relationship between 4 and 8. 4, as we can see here, is 4 is half as much as 8, or I should say 8 is 4 2 times, 4 doubled. So if we know 1 times 4 is 4, we know that 2 times 4 is going to be 4 doubled, which is 8. That is the relationship between 4 and 8. So whenever you're seeing problems with 4 and 8, you can use that strategy and you can go ahead and double, or you can add another group of 4. So 2 groups of 4 gives you 8, or 2 times 4 equals 8. So you are going to be given the rest of this worksheet to complete. We are going to ask that you get out a piece of blank paper, it can be lined or whatever you want to use, and solve your problems on that paper. And then your classroom teacher will go over that with you when you meet. You will be getting papers, but right now they're not completed. So we ask that you just use a blank sheet of paper to complete your work today. Now on the bottom here, you're going to be looking at some division problems, or a problem that involves division. So you're going to read this problem and you're going to pick out which expression is going to work with this story problem. Remember, if you have any questions, please contact your classroom teacher, or I'm happy to help you as well. Otherwise, just work hard and we will see you later.